Okay, Craig Corato. Okay, Craig, we got some stuff polished out for you. Just starting to gather up some things. These are your satin fork legs. We have your drum polished here. Like I said earlier, this has got to be the best one I've seen. This is perfect. This is absolute perfect. This is nice. We bead blasted the inside here, polished these lips. Then we're gonna, of course, new bearings and everything. Here's your inner point housing, hubcap, breather. There's your little oil pump cover. So we're getting it all together. Now we need to talk about what we're gonna do about the chrome, because we're ready to start moving. I got more stuff for you too. So let's get together. Let's talk about the chrome, and I want to get that all sent out. And we were off 2 weeks, so that didn't help anything at all. Period. But anyway, we're moving now. So all right, thanks, Craig.